Step 7. Download your code and test your regulator. You can now power on the modules. Before we proceed, it is important that the correct network interface has been selected. This is done by clicking on Setting in the VIGO6 editor. Then click on Launch Service Interface. Then select the USB Ethernet adapter, which in this case has been renamed to ThinkPad Lenovo adapter. Start the PD955 COP PC from the taskbar. Click on the Manager V6 PC devices and find the PD955 COP PC you want to start, and start it. When all modules are powered on and the PC is connected to the demo hardware through the USB adapter and the PD955 COP PC is running, you are now ready to download the project code. Press the Run Project Downloader button, shown as a small play icon. The Downloader COP PC starts and enabling you to perform download to the different modules, including the PD955 COP PC. Press the Download button. In the new window, click the button Config All Modules. The downloader will now download the project code. Wait for the program to finish. Check that there are no failed modules. Now your code is downloaded to the modules. Your PD955 COP PC will now show you the view with the actual temperature and set point, and you can now try to change the temperature input by moving the potentiometer on the demo hardware. Try change the set point by keying in a value. See how the output indicator changes from on to off, depending on the temperature and the set point. This was the end of tutorial 2.